Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your USPS delivery instructions aren't working, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to explain why this happens and what's actually going on. So first of all, you need to understand that not every package supports this feature. USPS delivery instructions only work for eligible domestic shipments with tracking. So if your package is from certain senders, international or restricted, this particular option may not apply. In this case, your instructions won't be accepted or followed. So here the timing is really very important. The delivery instructions may be added before the package goes out for delivery. If you try to update them after the carrier has already loaded the package, they won't take effect. That's why it may look like the feature isn't working, but sometimes the issue is not technical. Certain instructions like leaving packages in the specific spots may not be allowed due to safety or policy rules. Also, some delivery routes or the apartment buildings do not support the custom instructions. So in these cases, USPS may ignore or override your request. So if this video helped you understand why the instructions are not working, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.